Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install a Bejeweled alternative game on Linux Mint Cinnamon 22. Open Terminal, type in sudo, S-U-D-O, space apt, space update, U-P-D-A-T-E, and press enter. Type your password and press enter again. Now type sudo, S-U-D-O, space apt, space install, I-N-S-T-A-L-L, space G-W-E-L-E-D, and press enter. Do you want to continue, Y or N? Type capital Y for yes and press enter. Now type exit, E-X-I-T, and press enter. That closes terminal. Go to your menu and type in G-W-E-L-E-D. Double click on it to open it. Welcome to Bejeweled. You can select normal, timed, or endless. I'm going to go with normal. And you can make this full screen by clicking on the little square in the top right hand corner. So that is how you install a Bejeweled alternative game on Linux Mint Cinnamon 22. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos. And I'll see you in my next video.